Hey guys, it is the morning of day 3 here at Mercer Lake, and we're going to have another fun-packed day ahead of us. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all the latest videos that are coming out. Hey guys, so we came out here to Hasita Beach in Florence. It's about 7 in the morning and the winds are really calm early in the morning. So I'm going to do some droning, see if I can get some 360 footage of the coastline here. It's really beautiful here, so hopefully it ends up nice. All right, so we just got done droning here at Hasita Beach, and the flight came out really good. So hopefully everything came out great with the footage, but it's been a beautiful morning out here at the beach and perfect conditions for flying the drone. All right, so we got done droning at Hasita Beach and went into Fred Meyer to pick up some stuff to take back to the cabin. Got some bagels and Pop-Tarts and milk and some more water and stuff like that. So now we're gonna head back to the resort. I'm such a morning person. I always enjoy getting up super early in the morning and going out and doing something fun that I like droning on the beach while the wind's still really calm and stuff. And then stopping at like the grocery store and getting some surprises for the family and heading home, and they're just getting up if they're even up yet. And I've already had some fun with the morning and come bearing gifts for them, which they always appreciate. It's just a great way to start off our day when we're on vacation. It's something I always love doing. Okay, so we are back at the cabin. We'll see what everyone's up to here. Already got a house full of guests, and they're doing diamond painting.
We all went out pretty early on the boat so that I could practice some more wake surfing. I'm starting to get a little bit better at going up and down on the wake. I had a ton of fun, and there's still some areas I think I can improve on. After wake surfing, Angie and her mom Linda and Lydia and myself went for a cruise around the lake. After going out boating, Angie got to go out for a nice relaxing morning paddle before we had lunch. Some watermelon being cut up. So how would you guys rate the watermelon from 1 to 10?
10 out of 10.
Zuri, what do you think?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? All right.
Unanimous.
Angie's watermelon recipe is perfect. All right, we got a good looking lunch here with some hot dogs that we barbecued and some watermelon and some fruit salad and some potato chips.
A lot of watermelon.
How much watermelon did you eat?
About 40 pieces.
Ah, it's such a hot summer day, and this hand is not doing enough fanning. Here's one right here. Ah, so much better. If you want your own hand, just like this, you can get it at Pirates of the Caribbean and merch shop at Disneyland Resort, California. Ah, so nice.
Take my money.
Yes.
Hey,
Bullshit.
Hi,
the
I'm
one who's in
Person.
charge can't tell me what to do.
Hi, I'm Person.
We went back to the swim area in the afternoon to chill out in the inner tubes and watch the kids play in the water. Our friends Rob and Megan took their new boat out, and it is absolutely beautiful. Well, it's been a great day so far, from starting off this morning, going to the beach, to playing on the boat later this morning, having a good lunch. Then we had a great afternoon down in the swim area and floating on the inner tubes and just kind of chilling out. And now we're having some of our good friends that we've met up here at Mercer Lake over for dinner tonight, and it should be a lot of fun, both of our families getting together and having a really nice meal together. So yeah, the day's been great so far. After dinner, all of the kids could not resist going back down to the swim area and seeing just how much trouble they could get into. While the kids were creating mischief, Angie was smart enough to go out for a nice, relaxing evening paddle. The kids ended up meeting up on our deck to play a game of Telestrations, which is always just a ton of fun to watch.
Just to tell you, that's the person eating McDonald's french fries.
You really couldn't do it. Miriam, you gotta actually draw the thing. It's not cool. You do that one more time, I'm just like gonna leave. So yeah. Think of anything I
After everyone went back to their own places, we went inside the cabin and chilled out on the couch for a little while and got a chance to just visit with each other. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. If you have favorite places you like to go with your family, please leave your comments below. We'd love to know what some of your thoughts are. Don't forget you can follow us on Instagram at Bucket Day Adventures. And if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all the latest videos that are coming out. Thanks again for joining us, and we sure hope you're doing something great today to fill your bucket. Take care.